Hey guys, this is Leslie with Cornerstone Design Co. and I'm going to be teaching you Shelf Styling 101. I'm sure a lot of you have seen these really cute styled shelves on Pinterest, and we're going to show you how to do it yourself. Here are a few items you'll need. Potted plants and vases are a great way to bring in a lot of different colors, textures, styles, and heights to your styled shelves. You can use faux plants or you can also use real ones. It's all up to you. Books, candlesticks, and jars are a great way to bring in more filler for your styled shelves. You can use wood, ceramic, or glass just to create new textures and then pop in some of your favorite books. Framed art is another way to add natural wood tones and colors to your shelves. When styling your shelf, you're going to start with your largest piece first. I added a smaller frame to create some layering. In order to balance out, I'm going to set a larger botanical and then fill the hole with a smaller one. Next, I'm going to add my jars. These jars are great because they are different sizes, and you can find jars similar to these at Hobby Lobby or Target. You could even fill them with some of your favorite items like rice or beans, something like that. Next, I'm going to add a book to create height for this botanical I'm going to set on top. It creates movement and color to my shelves. Don't forget when styling your shelves to add in all different types of things, especially if these are in the kitchen. You could add bowls or cups, some fun pictures, things that are important to you and that you want to have on display. Thank you guys so much for joining me with this Shelf Styling 101. If you want to follow along with more of our fun projects and videos, follow us on Instagram at Cornerstone Design Co. Waco.